this right here? This is called life. This might be the last time we actually look at this. It was nice while it lasted.
Oh shit! No fucking way. James. What? Did you hear that? Yeah, I heard that. Shh, I heard that.
Oh my god. That's fine, we'll just keep doing it. So we already heard a thump, and we just entered. Usually it doesn't happen until we get deeper. That's what she said. Everyone, the hit Bruce jackets will be coming out soon. That plug. Y'all need to chill out. Okay. I know these are hot. I know these are fire. Good. Walking technique.
If I do it, I feel like if I do it that way, it's slip and shit.
Yeah, I feel that, but I got to do something.
I'm like, you have no traction on them, so.
Oh.
You got that.
Did you catch that?
Yep.
Wow. We're not even on the way, dude. Every once in a while, someone look behind us.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Okay. Go on, thing. Just run through right in the middle. Okay? Go.
Go.
Oh, it's another jumping area.
Oh, that's why they
Whoa, you got a jump? Can we do tricks with this one? Ready? Should we do 360?
touch the wall. There's a big ass carpet, too. See?
Oh, look at that. Holy shit, roaches.
Oh no, you better hurry with them. I'm not telling you the roaches in there.
Is this like a 5?
Okay, if you go to jump on it.
Come on, buddy. Oh, you good? Did anybody remember the way back? You mean the way forward? Is there even a way out? I don't know.
He never made it to the
Oh, you
end.
know? Oh my god, Gio. You're gonna do the craziest thing.
If it goes backwards?
No, if we all closed our eyes and spun around about like 20 times.
Oh, shit.
We all got high. That is like,
So gone. Alright, I'm gonna headache now. Alright.
Gio, you might want to slow down.
Go ahead, Nathan.
I'm gonna name you Sally.
I heard like a whisper. Go. That is just a battery. The battery died. It's supposed to last for like 8 hours. But whatever. Oh, it is then. Okay, cool. They move forward because they got uncomfortable. But it's understandable. Okay. Now make this thing wider. Now put it down. Okay. Okay.
So, let's go back, guys.
Okay. I'm hungry. Okay. Excuse me. Damn, it got freaking quiet. Anthony, here. See?
Like, ran back.
Oh, good.
There you go, dude. Got it? Let me see how I hold this here.
Whatever with his boots. Is it easier? Alright, you guys can go ahead.
Okay.
Do you want me to hold that?
Look, record the tunnel. Record it.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, that's it. Let's go. Did you hear that? Come on. I don't know. Never been that way. Look at. Show that side. Apparently you can walk that way, but I never actually been that way. How does it feel? All right, we'll talk about it when we get to the top. Here you go, Anthony. Let's go.